Hi,
Hi.
how are you, Meera?
Good. How are you?
Good.
There's like 3 people. Never mind.
Well,
Yes, ma.
what are we gonna learn today?
What are we going to learn? What did we learn last week? Did you have any questions?
No.
You know what? I wanted to bring this up with you guys before maybe others join in. See, there was a set 7 and 8 which I didn't complete. Okay. I just want to see where we are on that. In the sense, let's see.
Okay.
Let's see. I'll show it to you. Hold on. Okay, I just wanted to give you this and see. How about this? Okay, how about this? I just wanted to see. Okay, let's see this one. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Give me a minute, I'll make it bigger for you. Yes, why don't you try this one for me? I just want to see where we are on this. We have worked through this already, but I want to see.
Yeah, I remember this one.
You remember? Good. Okay, let's see. It was not an easy one though.
As you push forward in this position,
Go ahead.
Priya, I forgot how to do this.
Yes, ma, I'm here.
I actually forgot how to do it too, like the fraction strip thing.
Oh my goodness, you don't have to follow that. If you understand it conceptually, you can get going by yourself. You don't have to depend on me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, meaning you don't have to do in one particular way. That's not the target, right? You can do however you want, provided you understand and do. Can I see how you all do?
I think I have a way to do it.
That's good. That's what I want to see. It's not like you have to follow what I say. At the end of it, you need to be able to.
$500 bonus check service. Blah blah blah.
New robot.
What is it?
I actually love robots, by the way.
Yep, I used to. Should I explain how to do this?
No, I want the answers first.
Okay.
Get the answers first.
Fun.
So that I will know if you know, right?
What?
Get the answers first, then we'll decide. Did you get it? Who got it?
No, yeah, I'm almost done.
Yeah, take your time. No pressure. No pressure. Absolutely no pressure.
0.25 of it was
So what I thought was, you know what, based on NSF contest today, right? I really wanted each of you to learn one topic and come from the next class. You know, who knows about factorial? What is a factorial?
Oh, I know.
I do not know how to explain it, but I know
What is a
what a
factorial?
Can I
Okay.
explain it?
can equal.
Yeah, you can explain it. Come on.
Okay, so basically what factorial is wait, let me get the annotation thing. Where's the annotation thing?
You can just say that's fine too.
Okay, so basically how you represent factorial is like, for example, if you want 3 factorial, you do 3 and then an exclamation point, and then it represents 3 times 2 times 1.
Good. So what is, okay, see, 3 factorial means this is this, okay. Since it's going to be a big number, if we evaluate this, it's going to be a big number. They have this exclamation. Oh my gosh, it's going to be a big number. That's why the exclamation mark. This means it is 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now I have a big question. What is 19 factorial? 19 times 18 times 17 times 16 times 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Make sense? Yeah, I have a question to y'all. Can I ask you?
Yeah.
What is 11 factorial by 9 factorial?
I know.
What is... Send the answer. Send the answer to me. Hey, you know what? I had taken a curated list of word problems for you guys. I wanted to share that in the class, but I don't know where I have it. Let me see, guys. Wait. I really don't know. Let's see. I had it
Yeah,
last week already.
can I please write it in an equation? Because I'm not so used to multiplying a lot of numbers.
So
Please
whatever you want, see, whatever you want, you can do. I only want you to finish and tell me the answer. You got it?
Well, are we still on the first question or are we on another question?
No. I was asking you for the factorial. I know I just detoured, but I wanted to ask you whether you can do the 11 factorial by 9 factorial problem. Did you see that? Can you please...
Oh, wow, that is so satisfying.
Ritu, I just want to know what is 11 factorial by whatever is on the board, the problem on the board.
Blah, blah.
11 factorial by 9 factorial.
Okay.
Hello, Lakshanya. Go ahead and solve and send.
Oh my god.
Neil, is that 50?
Wait, I just put the answer for the last one.
Oh, okay. I really want. Come on, quick.
Oh, and I'm just writing in the equation for a shorter equation.
Oh, okay.
But
But yeah, since we have some time today, I really want to go over that. Let's see. Let me see, guys. But yeah, send the answer to me quick on this one, guys. No pressure, but the sooner you do, it's easier for me. Meaning, we can go and do more.
this is hard, dude.
Anvita, don't worry about this, ma. Anvita, you don't have to worry about this. Okay, this one we have done it earlier in class. I'm just asking them to redo.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, you can think about the concept behind it. You don't have to follow me at all. Okay, you can do it in your own way. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see. Did I get... Meera, did you get the answer? Good job, Meera. So here we go. 11 factorial is 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9 factorial is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So what happens? 9 by 9 is a 1, 8 by 8 is a 1, 7 by 7, 6 by 6, 5 by 5, 4 by 4, 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 1 by 1. Right? What is remaining? 11 times 10 is remaining. Answer is 110. Arnav, did that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Mr. Ruiz received a 500 bonus check from his employer. He spent 0.25 off it means multiplication. What is 0.25? What is 0.25 as a fraction?
1/4.
1/4 of it on his wife. So calculate what is 1/4 on his wife. Then you have the remaining money. In that remaining money, he spent 0.2 of it on his kids. So how much did he put it on his kids? You don't have to follow the same model. You can do in your way. Guys, Samhit, is that right? The question is, how much of the check did he spend on his kids?
Wait, am I right?
Ritu, he spent 275 on his wife or kids? Akshara, I really want you to try, ma. Seema, okay, see guys, he received 500 bonus check, right? Yes, from his employer. He spent 0.25 means what? 0.25 of it on his wife. That means 25 hundreds, right? Because this is tens, this is hundreds. 25 hundreds is what? 1/4 of it. So this was split into 4 parts, right? If you don't want to follow this, that's fine. 500 divided by 4 is what? You need to divide and see how many 4s in 5. 1. Carry over the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. You have a remainder of 2. 4 5s are 20. 125 in each box, right? So one part was done. So what is the remaining? $375 he had at this point. That is the remaining money. Of the remaining money, he used that 375 now. Then that was 2/10 of it means what is that? 1/5. He split that into 5 parts. When he split that into 5 parts, each was a 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75. So 1 out of 5 was spent on his kids. So he spent 75 on his kids. Guys, I really, if we revise, if you are not able to reproduce it, then there is no point. Okay, then the meaning I do see what is the issue going on as well. Meaning the homework, I have the question, how are you doing by yourself?
I did not get the answer right because I did not understand check.
Now, check. But now did you understand?
Sure, I just learned the definition of check.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I think you already had put this question, but I'm I don't know.
See, that's what makes me a little concerned. Where is that? Why is that we are not able to solve? See what I mean? Okay, let's see. Today I have a ton of word problems. I want to see how you do. Okay, this is not related to the book at all, but I really want you to be good with word problems. Let's see this one. These are not in the book. I've never given you these. This I wanted to do last week itself. So today, 1.5 hour class, I decided, okay, we will have a deep dive into this. Andrea spent integers we'll solve, but that's later. I want you to be very good with word problems. Andrea spent 1/5 of her salary on food and 1/10 on transport. She gave the remaining amount to her brothers equally. One of her brothers spent all his money on a radio and a watch that cost 86 and 145 respectively. So what is the strategy here? How to start? I don't know what is the start, right? Okay, there are 2 ways, okay? Okay, who can get me started with this? Tell me your thoughts. I want to go your way. There are multiple ways of solving this. I want to go your way. How do you want to get started? Who can start? Yes, Lakshanya, go ahead, ma. How do you want to start?
So we're gonna start from the bottom. So one of her
I
brothers
like it,
spent
Lakshanya. Good job. Go ahead.
all his money on a radio and a watch that cost 86 and 145. So if he spent all his money on those watches and is watching the radio, that means that 86 plus 145 equals the amount that one of her brothers got.
So each was what?
231.
Is that right?
Yes,
That's right. So what was the money given to the brothers?
Each brother got 231.
That's true. How many brothers were there and what was the total money given to the brothers?
Me.
Yes, go ahead, Neil.
So 231 plus 231 equals 462.
Plus 231 will be equal to?
693.
Good. Now that was the money given to the brothers, but we are not yet done, right? She gave
Yeah,
the
we need
remaining
final
amount.
count.
The remaining amount is 693. Right?
What?
How do you do this now? Meera,
Um,
you have a thought here?
I know the answer.
What is it, Neil?
Wait, I did not solve it, but I finally found the equation to find the answer.
What is it?
231 times 5.
How do you know, Neil?
Okay, so since I knew there was 693, and I found that she spent six tenths or 2/5. 4 tenths and 2/5 of her money on. She spent 4 tenths of her money to the brothers. Wait,
How do you
what?
know 4 tenths? Wait. How do you know 4 tenths? How did you calculate that?
He gave 7/10.
I think so. That's right, Lakshanya. I
Oh,
think he
yeah,
gave
yeah.
7/10. See, this and this add up to what? 1/5 and 1/10 cannot be added. So bring them to the common denominator, meaning 1/5, 1/10.
3 tenths. That's 7 tenths in total.
That is 3 tenths. When you think about this, this is 3 tenths. So 3 tenths was on salary and transport. The rest of the parts were 7 tenths. So
Okay.
7 parts out of 10 parts, meaning something was split into 10 parts. Okay. Of that, 7 of the parts is 693. 7 of the part is 693. There were 3 more parts as well, which is not in here. That is the 3/10 part. But this 693 constitutes only 7 of the 10 parts. So how much is each box?
So we have to divide. Oh, I see the answer now. I just quickly.
99. So what is his total salary? What is his total salary?
990.
990. Did you all get it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see, I really want you to be able to solve all these. See, another way to do this is,
Alexa, stop.
okay, x will be equal to his salary using equations.
Oh, are you using notes for this?
Yeah, 1/5 of x plus 1/10 of x. How much is, I'm sorry, 1/10. 1/5 of x means 1/5 of his salary. Of the word of means multiply. Of his salary. 1/5. One part of 5 parts of his salary. And 1/10. 1/10 on transport. So 1/10 of x. This was what he spent on salary and transport. So how much is it? How much is it? When you think about this, right? So this would be, we already decided that this is 3/10 of x. 3 parts out of 10 parts of his salary he spent on food and transport. Okay, so what is remaining? 7 parts out of 10 parts of his salary is remaining. So that was divided among the 3 brothers equally. So that will be 3 times 86 plus 145. What is 3 times 86 plus 145? We already did this, right? 693, I think. Right? 7/10 of x is 693. You can use equations as well, but you have to know how to solve them. It will take a little while for you to solve. I can give you, I'll go ahead and show you how to solve meaning we have done it, but not to this extent. Let's see this one. X plus 5 equal to 9. What is x, guys?
4.
So how do you do that? Think of a
minus
pan
5.
balance. Equal to means think of a pan balance. X is on the side, 5 is on the side, 9 is on the side. I need to move all the x's to the side, numbers to the side. So remove the 5 on the side, remove the 5 on the side. It's like a pan balance. What you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. If you subtract 5, this side becomes x, this side becomes 4. X balances a 4, so x equal to... Yep, x equal to 4. Now, how about this? 2x minus 10 equal to 40. How do you solve this? 2 times x minus 20. 2 times x minus 20 will be equal to 40. Now what do you do? Lakshanya or Akshara, can you say how can I solve this equation? What is it I need to do to solve this equation? Yes, Samhit.
Find x.
Yeah, how do you find x?
By
You have to remove. I need only variables. Don't touch the expression. This is, see, each of this is called a term. Okay. Don't touch the term with the variable. Go ahead, Samhit.
Like you have to do 20 plus 40, and then like
20 plus 40, correct. Here as well, plus 20. So minus something and plus something cancels off. 2x will be equal to 60. Now, Meera, what do you do?
Okay, so now you know that 2x equals to 60. Now you just have to isolate the variable again by dividing by 2 on this
Yeah,
side.
so
and
2
dividing
is
by 2 on this
multiplied
side.
with the variable. So you do the opposite. X will be equal to 30. Now, guys, how about this? 1 by 2 plus x minus 3 by 4 will be equal to 5 by 8. Can you solve this for me? How? Here, variables can't be mixed with numbers, okay? But you can do this. Do you know fraction, addition, subtraction? You all know fraction, addition, subtraction, right? Anvita, do you know fraction, addition, subtraction?
Yeah.
So what do you do with 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8? Anvita or Rutu, you can tell me. What is half minus 3 by 8?
Which one?
What is half minus 3 by 8? I'll help you, ma. Don't worry about it. Can you subtract 3 by 8 from half? What do you do? You cannot subtract or add fractions when they have different total pieces, right? So what do? You bring the denominator to, Akshara, you can answer as well, right? Okay, Lakshanya, go ahead and tell me. Go ahead, ma. Akshara, go ahead. What do I do to subtract half and minus 3 by 8, guys? Lakshanya, you want to say?
I don't get it.
Okay. Lakshanya, you want to say, ma?
I don't know.
How can I subtract half and 3 by 8? How do you subtract half and 3 by 8?
You can convert it to 4/8.
Exactly. The denominator should be the same in both. Here it is 2. So you multiply by 4, multiply by 4. That becomes 4 by 8 minus 3 by 8 plus x. Akshara, what is the answer for this one?
It's 7/8.
Ma, there is a subtraction, ma.
Wait, no. It's 1/8.
1 over 8. 1 over 8 plus x equal to 5 by 8. How do I isolate this variable to one side? Yes, Akshara, you can continue. You're muted and talking, Amma. Please don't mute yourself.
So to do that, you have to do 5/8 minus 1/8.
Exactly. Subtract this on both sides. Then you are being fair. So this will be x will be equal to 4 by 8 or 1 by 2. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay.
Priya,
Now,
go to the bathroom.
yes, you can go and come back quickly. I really want to cover more word problems as I told you. So let's see. How about this? Guys, fractions, word problems, you're going to go back and forth. Okay, so let's see. See, each and every problem, if you think practically, you should be able to work it out. Anne and James had some stickers. Okay, Anne gave 1 by 4th of her stickers. Anne gave James 1 by 4th of her stickers. James had twice as many stickers as Anne. That's tricky. This one I will do. Okay, see the story, you have to follow the story. Anne and James had some stickers. This is the number of stickers Anne had. Jane had J number of stickers. Now what happened? After Anne gave 1 by 4 of her stickers. What is 1 by 4 of her stickers? Anne is giving. She is giving after. After that, what happens? Anne had only 3 by 4th because 1 by 4th she gave away. She had only 3/4 of A. She gave that to James. Okay, James had 1/4 of A to him. Right? Now, James had, what does it say? James had twice as many stickers as Anne. Anne had this many stickers. So, but James, whatever stickers he had after, was twice that of Anne. Does that make sense or is it too much? Did you guys get doing equations? Not really? Meera or Rakshara, tell me, ma. Some hit, did you understand? No? Yes? Some hit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Okay, I'm out of here. I'm just gonna.
Huh?
I'm not gonna solve it.
Not really.
Not really. Okay. Let me move a little slowly. Okay. Okay. Let me move a little slowly. Let me take it a little down. Wait. Okay. How about this? How about this? Let's do this. Okay. Let's do this and go back to the same question. Okay. See, if I raise it a little bit, it's becoming tough. So, Nan's, okay. How about this? Now, this one, I want help from you all to solve. Who is going to help me? Ritu, go ahead, ma. Nancy had 1/3 as much money as Ben. Lucy had 20 more than Ben. So let's put it out, each of them. Okay.
I'll be right
Nancy.
back.
Huh?
I'll be right back.
Lucy. What can I say about Nancy? She had 1/3 as much as Ben means what? If Ben had B, right? How much did Nancy have? 1/3 of it. So how do I write it? 1/3 times Benny. Lucy had 20 more than Ben. How do you write for Lucy? 20 more than Ben. Ben is B.
B plus 20.
B plus 20.
Yes. Now, the three people, right? Benny had B stickers. All the three had 132 altogether. How do you write that? How do you write it into an equation?
To do 132 divided by 3.
Let's not do that. Let's add all these. How to add all these? B plus 20 plus B plus
1/3 B.
will be equal to what?
How much money they have.
132. Now, how do you add the B's? You have 3B. How to add the B's? How to add the B? Here it is 1B, 1B, 1/3B. How will you add them? 1 plus 1 plus 1/3 is what?
1 plus 1.
What is 1 plus 1 plus 1/3?
2 by 3.
It's 2.
1
The
by
2 and
1 by 3. It's
2
a
and 1 by 3.
I want it as an improper fraction.
2.
7/3.
7/3B. That is how you can combine the people who like each other. B's all like each other. Then the number you cannot combine. You have to write it like this. Now, how to solve for B? Solve for B means how to find the value for B. How to find the value for B? How to find the value for B? You know, right? It's like a pan balance. What do you do? What should you remove? Yeah, I really want you to try. Meaning, it's like a pan balance, right? 7/3B is sitting here. 20 is sitting here. This side has 132. How will we solve for B? What should I remove? Arna, what should I remove?
You should remove
I'll remove a
1/3.
yeah. Don't touch the variable. Don't touch this at all. What should I remove? What else can I remove? The 20, right? I want to remove 20 on both sides to be fair. I will always remove whatever I don't want. So basically, I will not touch the variable. Finally, only I'll go to the variable. So here I'll remove 20. Here I'll remove 20. This becomes 102. Now 7/3B balances 102. Now When I say 7 by 3, B balance is 102, I should have only a B on this side. I don't want anything else on this side. Yes, Samhit, tell me.
Wait, isn't it like 112?
112, Amma, sorry. 20, yeah, 112, correct, Ma. Thank you, Ma. 112. So what happens? How to find out? 7 by 3, B, 7 parts. So how do I find it? Now you know I can multiply by 3 on both sides because 3 by 3 will be equal to 1. I can multiply by 3 on both sides of the pan balance. 3 and 3 will get cut off. 3 by 3 will become 1. Now 7 B's will be equal to 112 times 3. What is B then? You divide by 7, divide by 7. 48. Okay. I think I'll go down a little bit more. Let's see. I'll go to the easier one. How about this? I want you to be able to start writing equations, okay? It's long since we discussed this and we are a little off. Let's see. Okay, how about this? I really want you to write equations on these. Okay, who's going to help me? Ritu, you help me, Ma, this time. Slowly, one by one, you're going to help me. Anna had 3 times as many beads as Joe. Anna had 3 times as many beads as Joe. How do I write it? Can I say Anna has A beads? Zoe has Z beads. Now I cannot have this many variables. Variables means letters. I cannot have this many variables. Okay, I need to have only one variable. But it says A is equal to 3 times Zoe. How do I write it? Neil, tell me, how do I write it? What can I say about A equal to? Anna has 3 times as many beads as Zoe. Whoever knows, you can tell me.
A equals 3 times Z.
See? Okay. Now, they had 480 beads altogether. That means what? A and Z had 480 beads altogether. What equation can I make? What equation can I make?
A minus Z.
A minus Z?
Z, 4Z equals 480.
Wow, good job, Lakshanya. What can I say? I know that Anne and Zoe has 480. Anne means A, Zoe means Z. That is the number of beads, right? A number of beads. This is the number of beads Anne had, Z had, Zoe had, Z number of beads, right? Both make up 480, but I can't have two variables, I said. But I know A. Wherever I see A, I can plug in 3Z. 3Z plus Z will be equal to 480. 4Z is 480. How to find out Z? 4 unknown parts are 480. What is one unknown part? Divide by 4, 120. So Zoe had 120 beads. Anne had 360 beads.
I think I've heard of that question. The question sounds a little similar. It was the same thing as beads, and it also had 480.
Yeah. No. The question is more actually. Okay, I just want you to cover the first half, meaning understand how to frame equations. Now, let me go ahead and give you more examples. I'm going to come to these again. Okay, let's see this one. Anne has some number of beads, some number of candies. Okay, candies. Ben had twice the number of candies. Ben had, let me put it in a different way. Let me try this. Ben had 2 less than twice the number of candies Anne had. How to write this? How to write that? Anne had some number of candies. Can I take it as A?
Oh, I know the equation.
Can you tell me?
Can I write the equation?
Yeah, tell me. What is B? What is the number of beads that Ben had?
Before out, so B is equal to A times
Go ahead.
A times 2.
A times 2, 2 times A, good. Because twice the number of candies N had is 2A, then
And
2.
minus 2.
Good job. So wherever I see B, I can plug in 2A minus 2. Ritu, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, I had some let's say pencils. Okay, Akshara has half the number of pencils I had. Half the number of pencils I had. Okay, Ritu has 2 less than Akshara. Yuvati, you want to try framing the equations?
Yeah.
How many for me? I had how many pencils? X. Let's say X is a very good variable. Okay, that's what is the unknown. Now Akshara has half the pencils, means what will I write?
Because Akshara has half the pencils, A equals X divided by 2.
Good. X divided by 2. Then Ritu is what?
Ritu has X divided by 2 minus 2.
See, you put everything in terms of a single variable. Make sense? Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. I just want to go to easier problems. Wait, let's see. How about this? Okay, how about this? Okay, you're going to try this out for me. Okay. Do you all practice for Math Kangaroo at home?
Wait, what?
Math?
What?
Math Kangaroo.
What?
I've heard of it, but yeah, I don't work on it.
I don't know what that is.
You don't know what is that? Okay.
Sweet.
Okay. This time, Anvita, do you want to give it a try?
Okay, I bet I've solved this problem before.
Zach and Mandy shared 120 sweets. Anvita, let's try together. I'll help you. Zach and Mandy had shared 120 sweets. That means what? Zach, Mandy. Z plus M. Z is the number of candies Zach had. M is the number of candies Mandy had. They had 120 sweets. Now what happened? Who's giving whom? Zach gave Mandy 10 sweets. After giving, what should I write for Zach and Mandy? After giving, who will say what is the number of sweets Zach had? Come on, guys. Zach gave Mandy 10. So what happens to the number of candies with Zach?
It gets minus by 10.
Minus 10. Z minus 10. What happens to Mandy's sweets?
M plus 10.
Exactly, that 10 came here. Now, they're saying something else. After this was done, right? After Zach gave Mandy 10 sweets, whatever Zach had is equal to 2 times whatever Mandy had. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's all. So we can solve this equation. But you know what? But I have 2 variables. I don't want the 2 variables, right? I said you can have only 1 variable when you solve problems. So what do? You have to remove 1. But you see here, if Zach plus Mandy is 120, what can I tell about Mandy? Can I say Mandy is 120 minus Z? Or I can say Zach will be equal to 120 minus M, correct?
Yeah.
I can say that, right? So wherever I see the Z, I can put 120 minus M. Make sense?
Yeah.
See,
Yeah,
I got
sent
everything.
message on chat.
Yeah, now this is 2 times M plus 2. See, this 2 outside, right? We have learned distributive property. Remember, 2 times 3 plus 3. How do you write it? 2 times 3, 6 plus 2 times 3, 6. So the same thing happening here. 2 times M is 2M plus 2 times 10 is 20. Am I with you all? No, now tell me how to solve this big equation. Who can tell me? I said you have to put all the variables to one side, put all the numbers to one side. Numbers can be combined, variables can be combined. Same variable should be combined. How do you do this? First, what is that you can combine on the left side? What is that I can combine on the left side?
120 minus 10.
Good job, ma. 110 minus m. Good job. That will be equal to 2m plus 20. How to solve this? I know. Okay, let me bring it down completely. Okay, you go ahead. In the meantime, I want to look at something else. Go ahead. How are you? You are going to tell me how to solve. I'm not going to tell you. I know it is a little hard, but let's do it. You guys can do it.
So far, I have 5.
Anvita, you want to try, ma? Not really. Wait, ma. Anvita, you can wait a little bit. Okay, don't worry about it. Wait. Others, whoever was here, right? You can try. Come on, guys. Who wants to try? How to solve that?
Miss Priya.
It's like a pan balance. You are going to try. I'm going to help you even if it is wrong. But I want you to try.
Miss Priya, I solved it, but I don't know how to explain it. But I think I know the answer.
You think you know the answer? Okay, what is the answer?
Zach or yeah.
Mandy is what?
Oh, Mandy has 30.
Correct. How did you solve? Yes, that's right.
Yeah, I can't explain because it's too hard for me.
Oh, it's too hard to explain?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you. It's not hard. Okay, see here. The 20, see, I don't want to touch the variable right now. It's very hard, okay, if I touch the variable. But let's see. Here I have 110. Here I have a minus m. This side I have 2m and a 20. This is like a pan balance. Every time you have to have them balanced.
Okay, I anyways got. I think I got the answer.
What is it?
94 for that and 34 Mandy.
Correct. So remove the 20 on both sides. If you remove 20 from here, this becomes 90. There is a minus m. I have to move that m to the other side. I want variables on one side, numbers on the other side. So there is a minus m here. I will add m to both sides. If I add m, this side becomes 3m. This side becomes 90. 3 Mandy becomes 90 means 1 Mandy is 30. Lakshanya, are you following, ma? Vihan, are you following?
How long is this class on the starting point?
Is it hard? It's hard, I know. Okay, now I am bringing it down. Let's see. How about this? I want you to try this one, guys. This one all of you can try, okay? Zach and Mandy, we don't need to solve now. How about this? Mary had 129 apples. I really want you to write equations now. I told you how to write equation. M, T, like that. Put everything to one variable. I really want to see equations from you. Okay, because if we keep on slowing down, right, it doesn't work as well. I really want you to get more. Mary had 129 apples. So M is equal to 129. What is T? Tom had 127 more than Mary. Write it down as T is what?
M plus 127.
Good. Linda had 195 more apples than Tom. Let's write it down. This one seems easy for you all. We'll do this. Mary had 129 apples. Tom had 127 more than Mary. Till this you said. Anvita, can we try, ma?
Yeah.
Linda has how much?
129.
Linda had 195 more apples than Tom. How do I write it? What is Tom? See, Linda had 195 more apples than Tom.
Miss Priya, can I just type the answers for Tom?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, I'm almost done with solving the question.
So Linda had 195 more apples than Tom means Tom plus 195, right? I can't write Tom here. I have to write whatever. Instead of Tom, I can put 127 plus M. That many plus 195. Now, what is the question? How many more apples did Linda have? How many more apples she is having than Mary? Now let's see. These numbers can be combined, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 222 plus m. L will be equal to 222 plus m. Can you answer this question? How many more apples did Linda have than Mary? Lakshanya, Ritu, you can answer that? Or
Miss
Arna?
Priya, did I get it right?
Wait, ma, I'm talking, right? Vihan, you can answer as well. Vihan, Ritu or Akshara. How many more apples did Linda have than Mary?
322.
322, correct.
Yes.
322 is right. Okay, many of you answered. That's good. Some hit somewhere you made a mistake. What is it 990, Marutu? What is it 990, Meera?
No, that was my answer for like a really question like before. I sent my answer just now.
Okay. Let's see. I'll slow down as well. Okay, let's see this one. I think these are quite achievable problems when we start. Okay, you're going to try this. You're going to try this. Okay. You're going to try this. Please, Jacob, J. What is J? What is K? What is J? What is K? Okay, I'm going to solve. You're going to help me, please. Okay, till we get a hang of it. Okay, who's going to help me for the first equation? Please, you'll have to volunteer even if you go wrong. Okay, Anvita, I'm not going to bother you today, but you're going to listen. Come on, Vihan, you tell me, Vihan.
So first you have to put Jacob is Jerry times 2.
How can I write it?
2J.
2 Jerry. I don't want the same J, okay? So let me write it out as J. This is Jerry, number of marbles. This is Big Jerry, okay? And then Jacob. Then?
And then you do K equals 3J for Jacob.
You can play.
One thing, we have the bathrooms, we're just gonna leave them on the island.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, go ahead. K will be equal to what, ma?
It'll be equal to 3J for Jacob.
3J. This J, right? 3J. So how can I write in terms of this J? Wherever I see J, what you can do, you can plug in this. You see?
Okay,
So what-
so knowing what happens, you must knowing what happens, it must be you had to divide 846.
No. Wait. What is K first of all? What is K? 3 times 2J means how many J's? 3 times. There is no operation. 3 times 2J means how many J's?
6 days.
6J. Good job. Now they had 846 marbles altogether. That means what? Jerry, J, Jacob, 2J. What is this? Kenny, 6J. All those got added up to 846. Make sense?
Yep, and then we divide 846 by 9.
9J is 846. So J will be equal to 846 by 9. Make sense?
Yep. So
I'll go down. Meaning I have more problems in the same.
Miss Priya, what time does class end?
We want to end it by 8 o'clock. Is that okay?
what?
Sorry, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
You don't want to discuss this?
Yeah, for 1.5 hours is
It's too much? Okay. So I respect your opinions, okay?
That was
So let me do
6:30.
one thing. Yeah, let me
And
do
now
one
I'm
thing. I'll give
actually
you
feeling a little lazy.
okay, I'll give you one more problem. Do that by yourself, okay? And then we will move on, okay? Maybe we'll target at doing at least 20 every week. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to try. Let's see. Okay, see, otherwise, if we don't push ourselves up, I feel like we are really slowing down. Let's see. See, just the book is not enough, is what I'm saying. There were 67 more boys than girls in a field. See, the number of girls is G, the number of boys is B. But you already know the boys were more. So, how much is it? B will be equal to 67 plus G. Now, think about it. 18 children left the field. You have to write an equation. Total number of boys and girls, subtract 18, you have 373. So find the number of boys. Okay guys, for this week I'm going to give you homework from this. Let's see. Are you able to do, guys?
Miss Priya, what's the problem?
Oh, you're not able to see the problem, huh?
No.
Okay. Now you're able to see? Now you're able to see, ma?
No.
Emma, if you're not Anvita, it's okay if you don't solve using equations, okay? We will go to integers. We'll continue integers. Did you do? Did you do?
Then why do we have to
And
do
Miss
this?
Priya, it doesn't make sense because like we don't have any information about like the girls.
Doesn't matter. You write what is B and G.
Maybe.
What is B and what is G? B is B, number of boys. You can write G. First write it down.
Am I correct?
Okay.
See, the problem with the Beast Academy books I'm seeing is word problems are becoming hugely difficult, I feel. That's good, Akshara. Very nice. Keep going. Now you know B. B is the number of boys. G is B plus G. The B. I'm sorry. See here, G will represent the number of girls. Right? What is B? Who's going to tell? B is the number of boys, but how do you say that?
The boys are 67 plus girls.
So how
which
do you
is
say
G.
that? How do you say that?
67 plus G.
Good. So everything will be in terms of G, meaning we will always talk in terms of G. Now, how many total boys and girls are there? How many total boys and girls are there? G plus G is the number of girls. And boys?
Plus G plus 18.
67 plus G. Right?
Yeah.
Now this is the total.
373 plus 18.
This is the total number of boys and girls. Right?
Yeah.
Now who is going? 18 children are going. How do you write that?
Oh, I think I know what to do. So
What to do? What to do?
We can do that.
I think we should probably subtract 373 minus 67.
You're going to subtract first 18 and then equate it to what?
That whatever the answer is.
What is
And
answer?
so 300. So is it 373 plus 18?
Correct. Do and tell me what is G now.
Miss Priya, am
Yeah.
I correct?
To find out. So
Hmm.
you can subtract after we solve 373 plus 18, which is equal to 291, we can subtract 67 away from it.
Good. Yeah, subtract 67. Take out the numbers, bring it to one side.
And then we can divide the result by 2, which is
What is it? 391 minus 67.
324.
okay, good. And then
324.
after the 24, after we got that, we can find what is done. We can divide that by 2.
G plus G is 2G is 324. So what is it? G will be equal to?
Wait, let me think. So that's 162.
Good job. How many number of boys were there at the beginning?
That's 67 plus 162.
Good. 162 plus 67.
229.
Good job, guys. Good job, Lakshanya.
How can you solve that so fast?
Very nice, Lakshanya. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to stop this here. Okay? Okay, the hard part of it is done. Okay, we will do like this at least 10 problems, I feel, in a way. Okay, let's see.
Wait, what about the slides?
Slides? Yes. Who has the slide for today?
First, I think it's Naga. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Naga is not here.
Oh,
Priya?
Naga said she'll send it to me. She didn't send it to me. She didn't come to the class today.
okay. So I think
next week.
What is it?
I'll do it next week.
If she's absent, that means we have to move on to the next one. So I think it's Yuvati.
Yeah, Lakshanya has something to say. What is it, Ma?
I'm going to make my next week.
Sure, Lakshanya. On what topic, Ma? On what topic?
Integers is mine. Plus, it's a whole mathematics presentation.
What? Neil, Neil, give me a minute. I'm asking Lakshanya, what is the topic you're going to present?
We haven't decided yet.
Okay, but I want your mom to communicate with me before and send the presentation before. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, now guys, have you heard of this mathematician?
Obviously, I have one more.
Yes. That's what I'm making my slides about.
Who is this mathematician? Who is this mathematician?
I know.
I did not even know.
Yes, Yuvati, tell me.
Well, 1 second. I need to pull it up. It's on my slides. Well, one of his names was they called him Fibonacci, but the actual thing is Fibonacci numbers were first described as Indian mathematics in the early 200 BCs. Pingala created the sequence of Fibonacci numbers.
1 second, Yuvati.
Okay.
So now, I just want to go ahead and ask you, what is the relationship between these numbers I'm writing? Samhit, you can try. How can you connect these numbers? How can you connect this set of numbers?
Like, what does that mean by like?
There is some relationship between these numbers if you closely look at them.
I know it, Miss Priya.
Yes, Meera, go ahead.
I know the Fibonacci sequence. So basically, you could start it with any two numbers, but the sum of those two numbers has to be the next number, and then the sum of those two numbers has to be the next number.
See, 1 plus 2 is a 3, 2 plus 3 is a 5. 5 plus 3 is a 8. 8 plus 5 is a 13. 13 plus 5 is a 21. Sum of the previous two numbers is the next number, is a successive number. Sum of the two numbers is a successive number. So, why is this so important? I'm going to stop here and I'm going to ask you to Google and come next week.
Okay, and also
Can I do my slides next week?
I actually have.
Let Naga come, ma. Then Yuvati, you can go ahead. Lakshanya wanted
Miss
to do
Priya,
too.
I have
Yes.
one question. What's the golden ratio?
That's a good question. Can you explain?
I think I know it.
I don't know it, but I don't know
1.618.
what it is.
Good good, Lakshanya. What is it?
1.618.
Correct, ma. But what is it? What is the significance of it?
Pi. Wait,
Samhit has an answer. What is it, Samhit?
No, I have another question. Like, like, are we leaving it at 8 or like, does the class end at 8 or 7? Because like you said,
7. Wait, guys. Let me write down what and all we are discussing. We just discussed what is Fibonacci sequence, but we did not know what it was in practically. Why? What came up? How is it? Where do we see it? All that we didn't discuss. Similarly, somebody brought up golden ratio, and somebody said that the value was 1.618, and then but we did not discuss what is this yet.
Oh,
Okay.
by the way, here's another fact of Fibonacci. He's probably he's anyways known for his famous math sequence, and his full name that I know that I actually searched online, which I made a presentation about, was Leonardo Fibonacci.
Leonardo, yes, his name was yes.
I actually got it from a slides that I made.
Nice. Okay. Now, guys, guys, I'm going to stop this here. So, Fibonacci sequence, golden ratio, you're going to Google and come back and discuss next week. Okay. Who is going to Google? Who's going to give me more facts? I'm going to watch and wait and see. Okay. Meera, go ahead, ma.
Okay, so I know something about pi.
What is it?
So pi is the number 3.14 or 22 by 7, and it's used to find the area of a circle. I also know the Pythagoras theorem.
Nice.
It's actually a Greek. The symbol is actually a Greek letter. So wait. So can we insert a special symbol?
Can we answer? What, Neil?
Pi symbol.
Pi.
Do you mind about pi?
Pi. You know what is it, pi?
It's like it's used to find the area of a circle, and its value is 3.14 or it's 22 by 7.
We don't say 22 by 7, please. Okay, we'll go with 3.14.
Okay, 3.14.
Yep, the fraction we're not going to discuss at all. Yep. Okay, so what is this?
It goes forever.
Why? Why is it very famous? It goes forever. Yes, it goes forever. We don't know the sequence of number. Nobody has gone to the end of pi, meaning to the end of what are the digits. It goes on and on and on and on like 100 digits. We don't know the pattern in
this. Has it be a discovery?
Yes.
The most counted is 200.
200. Okay, that's good. Okay, guys, let's move on to our work. What is 2 minus 7? Anvita, you can tell me this, ma. What is 2 minus 7 on a number line? 0, 1, 2. 2 minus 7 is what? How do I do this? So 2 is here, right? Minus means I go back. 1, 2, 7 steps I have to go back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the answer, Manvita?
-5.
-5. Good job. Now let's go ahead and try this one. -3, -6. So I start on a -3. Minus means I walk back. How many steps I walk back?
3.
Huh? No, I started a -3. How many steps I walk back? This is walk back. How many steps? 6 steps. Where should I land?
9. -9.
Good job, guys. -9. How about this? -4, -2. Who can tell me the answer?
Me.
Ritu, tell me. -4, -2. When they see, the sign is always allocated to the number after. Okay, when they both are of the same sign, you add the numbers, put the sign of the bigger number. What is the answer?
-6.
-6. Good job. -8, -16. Quick, guys.
-24.
Yeah.
Add the numbers. Yes, -24.
8 minus 16 minus 20, -8 minus 16 minus 24.
8 minus 20. 8 minus
24 is hard. Now they both are different signs because there is no sign in front of this. So you take it as positive by default. This is a negative number.
So 1 need
Negative
When you
16.
have a positive number and a negative number, when you have a positive number and a negative number, you go ahead and subtract the numbers and write the sign of the bigger number.
Negative 16.
Negative 16. Good job. Anvita, see whether you can do this, ma. Minus 1, minus 2. Good. Minus 3. Okay, minus 4 plus 25. Yuvati wanted to answer. I'm going to give it to her. Vihan, I'll come to you.
So, negative 4 plus 25 would make, because like 4 plus the 6 would get us back to the 0. You take away 6 from the 25 gives you the 19. So it'll be 19.
Where, ma? Minus 4 plus 25. You're going to subtract these two, right? Because
Oh,
it's
yeah.
20
I know what it is.
positive. I'm going to move on.
Yeah.
Now, how about this? I'm going to confuse you, okay? Minus 5 minus 2. Wow.
I know.
There are two operations.
I know what it is.
I know what it is.
Guys, I'm going to move on. This is the first time we are discussing this. Minus 5 minus 2. I can't do this, right?
Can I say it?
Seeing two operations. If it is like this, it's easy. Positive, negative. So you subtract the numbers, put the sign of the bigger number, it's easy. But this one is so hard, right? There are two minuses, but they like it. Whenever you have two operations together, right? If it is a plus and a plus together, right? Meaning it's like multiplying a minus and a minus, you see? So when there are two operations that come together without any number in between, right?
It'll be a plus.
This will be, when they are same signs, it will be a plus. When they are same signs, it will be a plus. If it is a plus and a plus, it will be replaced with one plus. If it is a minus, suppose let's say I have minus 5 plus minus 3. In this case, what will I do? In this case, what will I do? There is a plus and a minus. What do I do? There is a plus and minus.
You just add those two numbers together. And here's a trick.
The operator should be unified first. When you have a plus and a minus, they don't like each other, so they end up with a negative sign only. You got
Okay,
it?
this may change everything, and this will help you a lot.
Okay, Neil, let's please go do the problems and then let's talk. Minus 4 minus plus 3. Who's going to answer this? Lakshanya, try.
No.
To this combination. There is a minus and a plus. It will be replaced with what? See, you cannot, go ahead. It will be replaced with what? There is a, when they are of the same, when two signs together are of the same means, you can replace with a plus. When they are different signs, you have to replace with a minus. So here in this case, what will they be replaced with?
A minus.
A minus. Instead of the two signs, I'm going to minus. Then copy this 3, copy this minus 4. What is the answer to this? Minus 4 minus 3.
Minus 7.
Yes, that's all. Now try this one, guys. I want you to try this. Yuvati is going to say the answer for this.
No.
This. Meera really wanted to explain something, so I'm going to give her a hard one. Let's see. Meera is going to try this one. Go ahead.
Okay, now I'm watching the push the anger.
Okay, you can go ahead and do. Neil.
Okay, finally. Negative 8 minus negative 1.
Each of you can do. Vihan, I didn't give you. Okay. Okay, ma. Thanks for the correction, Yuvati. Vihan, you're going to do this, ma. You can write out the answer on the board, each of you.
Can I do one?
Yeah, ma. Ritu, you can do this. Akshara. Who else? Anvita, are you ready to try?
Yeah.
Anvita, are you ready to try?
Yeah.
Okay, minus 4 plus minus 2. Try ma. You were waiting for your answers.
Okay.
Hey Yuvati, please don't change the numbers that I give you because it's very difficult for me to understand if you change the numbers.
Oh, okay.
Yuvati,
I'll
please
do it.
change the numbers, Yuvati.
So how do I want to write the answer? What do I do?
Okay, guys, I have to clear your drawing screen. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Okay, I'm going to clear her drawings. Go ahead. Don't change the questions given, guys. Go ahead.
Can you give us another one?
No, please do this. I want the answers on the board. I want to see.
Can I do one?
Yes, you can, ma. 1 minute. I will. Lakshanya, right? Give me a minute. I just want to see how the others do. I'll come back to you. Samhit, good job. Samhit, you're done. I'll give Lakshanya. Go ahead, ma. Yuvati, what is your answer, ma? What happened? Yes, Neil, that's correct.
Yes.
Yuvati, that's not correct. Good, Akshara, you're going to try, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Vihan, where is your answer?
I'm still thinking how to do it.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
Vihan, can I help you?
Yeah.
Minus and the minus will be replaced by what? They like each other, so positive thought. What happens?
Wow, that's fine one.
It gets replaced with a
Plus. So what is the answer?
11.
Okay.
11. Good job. Yuvati, what is the answer?
Subtracting a number is the same thing as adding its opposite.
Good. Yuvati, that's right. Good job, Yuvati.
If I'm correct.
Yes. Who's Akshara? Yes, Ritu, that's correct. Good job. Akshara, that's perfectly correct. Anvita, can I help you, ma?
What?
Lakshanya, here is one for you. Anvita, can I help you? Minus 4 plus and a minus means what should I replace it with? Plus and a minus don't like each other, so negative thought.
Yeah. A minus?
Yes, and then copy the 2. What is the answer? Minus 4 minus 2.
6. Minus
6. 6. Good job. You got it? Okay, that's good. Good. Lakshanya, that's correct. Who else did not do? I'm going to give you more. You trying more, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now it's open for everybody. Let's see this one. 5 plus what number is a minus 1? That's a hard one.
The board.
5 plus what is a minus 1?
Can you please write problems for each of us?
Each of you? Okay, I can give you. Okay. You're going to fill up the squares, okay? You're going to fill up the squares. Okay? 6 minus equal to a 9. 4 minus equal to a 4. Equal to a 4. Minus 4. 5 plus this will be equal to a minus 1. No.
Is this all for me?
6 minus. Okay, now Neil is going to do the first one. Vihan, you can take this. Yuvati, am I writing your name correctly, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you for correcting Vihan as well. Akshara, Samhit, Lakshanya, Ritu. Did I miss anybody?
You missed me.
You
missed me.
Wait, I'm giving you.
Mine, the text.
Go ahead and do this one. Go ahead, guys. Let me see who finishes it fast.
Next.
Okay, Yuvati, you're done.
I just finished.
Good job, Samhit.
Bada bang.
Oh, Lakshanya, I didn't mean to give you this, Lakshanya. Minus 6. Sorry, Lakshanya. That was so easy. I cannot give you that.
Give me a chance.
I'm waiting for answers, Akshara.
I don't get mine.
Anvita, can I give you one ma?
Yeah.
Okay. 4 plus something equal to 1. Good job, B.
Am I right? Miss Priya, I don't really get mine.
Uma.
I don't really get mine.
Akshara, ma?
Yeah.
See, here there is a positive 5. But I need a minus 4. So what can I do?
Miss Priya, am I right?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Miss Priya, am I right?
This is correct. Lakshanya is correct. 4 plus 3 is not a 1, right? Anvita, you are there, but is it 4 plus 3 is a 7? But what you need to add? You need to add a negative 3 to get a 1. Did you get it, Anvita?
Is mine correct?
Yeah, good job, Anvita. Ritu, that's correct.
Is mine correct?
Arnav, Akshara, see you got it, Akshara. Arnav, what is the answer? 4 plus
7.
3. See, you have a positive 4, but your answer should be a negative 3. So what should you do? You have to add a very big negative number. What is that negative number? Minus? Arnav?
Minus 7. I told it in the chat.
Chat is not fine when I'm asking you.
I don't know how to put it in there.
No, but you can shout out, right? I'm working with you. How about that? Okay, this one you're going to all answer in chat. Please.
Dang, that's hard.
No. What?
Holy guacamole.
Oh, it's not so bad.
Miss Priya, am I right?
Are you
Okay, all I know is okay, I got it.
Lakshanya, I'm checking now, but I don't get you. Oh, yeah, I saw your answer. Lakshanya, think about it well. Vihan, good job. Samhit, good job. Lakshanya, think about it. Yeah, Lakshanya, good. Chicken banana. What is that? Chicken and banana.
Wow,
Lakshanya,
what?
that's not correct. Akshara, that's correct. She has written chicken banana. Neil, that's right.
Did you see the gift I sent you?
And positive 314.
Ritu, that's not correct, ma. Ritu. Please, guys. What I'm missing in some of you is you're not replacing the signs. When you have two signs, you cannot work with two signs together. Anvita, you tell me what will you replace it with?
A multiple high or
Please, Neil. I'm going to ask Anvita. Minus and a minus. What will they be replaced with? They like each other. They are friends. So what will I replace it with?
A plus sign?
Yes. Good job. So now, Lakshanya, go ahead and try this one now. Ritu, you're first. Ritu, now do you see the answer change? This is a negative number, this is a positive number. So what do? You subtract both the numbers, right? And then you write the sign of the bigger number. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a glitch.
Okay, I have more questions for you. Can I go ahead with more questions?
Never mind, I don't have a glitch.
Okay, I'll get you more questions, please. Okay, I'll ask you, I'll pick out. Okay, Vihan, what is the answer? Vihan, what is the answer? Vihan, what is the answer for the first one? Neil, what is the answer for this one? Vihan, what is the answer for the first one?
First one is 2. It's 2.
Good job. Neil, what is the answer for the second one?
Okay, let me put this. So what minus negative 2 equals 5? 3.
3. Good job, Neil. Good job, Vihan. Now, who's going to
Wait,
answer
can
this?
you erase
Minus
that 3
9
that you
plus
put in
box
my
will be equal to
box?
Akshara. Go ahead. Minus 9 plus box equal to a minus 4.
Can you please erase that 3 that you put in my box?
You're going to keep quiet, okay? I'll erase my 3. I'm
minus
sorry,
5?
okay? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to erase your 3.
Is it minus 5?
Okay, 1 minute. He wants me to erase my 3 and yeah, go ahead and put your 3
Okay, I
in.
can type it again.
Yeah, go ahead, ma. Sorry, ma. Go ahead.
Minus 5?
How can it be minus 5? Both negative numbers, right? Meaning see here, plus and a minus will become a minus here, right?
Sorry,
Oh, it's just 5. It's just 5.
It is just 5. Good job, ma. Okay, now I have more questions, please. This plus minus 6 equal to a 2. Lakshanya, you can answer this. Ritu, you can answer this.
Please don't tell me that these are the
Well, okay, I'll just
What is the answer, guys? Lakshanya and Ritu. Try ma, Lakshanya. I'll help you, ma. It's okay to go wrong. You know me, right? It's okay. What is it? Others can send the answer. Okay, Ritu, you want to try? Yuvati, you want to try, ma?
Which?
Yuvati, you want to try this? I'll give you more. Anvita, do you want to try or should I wait? Yuvati, Ritu.
Can I try? Blank.
Ritu and Yuvati, let me finish. Ritu, 7 plus what is a minus 1? How about this, ma? Anvita, I really want you to try this, ma.
Okay.
Yeah, my face has been devoured.
Go ahead, Yuvati and Ritu, I'm waiting for your answers, guys.
I
Ritu, is that correct? 7 plus 8 is 15.
Oh, wait.
Yuvati, I'm waiting for your answer.
Okay.
Yuvati, did you get it? Anvita, can I help you? Yuvati, can I help you? Anvita, can I help you?
I'm almost done.
I got the answer. I just need to know how to put it down.
Yeah, tell me. You tell me. Shout out.
Negative 5?
Yeah, correct. How about you, Yuvati?
Is it 8?
8,
Wait, no.
8. See, this is replaced by a minus. 8 minus 2 is a 6.
Wait, no. It's not. It's actually 7.
7. Good job. Okay, ma. Okay. Yeah, I think you all got it. But now I'm going to make it harder. Let's see. How about this? Okay.
Each of us will get a problem. Do that.
Wait, I want you to do more problems. I want every one of you to do more problems.
Okay, maybe put 2 people per no.
What a freak out!
So I have
Okay.
the integers minus 4.
Me first.
Guys, you're all going to send the answer to me on this one. Okay, this is a challenge. Okay, we have. Hey, what is your name, ma? What is your name?
Sanvi.
Sanvi. Thing is, we are about to end the class.
My cousins.
I think you logged in early, ma. Late, ma. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let's finish this. Minus 4, 5 and 9. This is what I've given you. You're going to use these 3 integers to fill the boxes. When you fill the boxes, you have to get a true equation. Equation that is valid. I'm going to wait. I'm going to call this number A, call this integer B, call this integer C. When you send the answer to me, tell me what is A, tell me what is B, tell me what is C. But when you get the answer, you have to make sure this is a valid statement. That one should be a valid statement.
Okay, wait, are you sending this in chat?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Because I want all of you to work more problems rather than each one working on one problem.
So A is
Oh, yeah. Akshana, very nice to see your answers, ma'am. Ritu, if your equation was true, the right side should be a -9, not a 9. You have only a 9. But good try, Ritu. Really, you're trying nicely.
My chat is disabled.
Whose chat is disabled? Anvita's, huh?
Yeah.
Are you logging from an iPad?
From a laptop.
Oh, laptop. Then I should help you. That's not disabled. Okay, you're not seeing it properly. I'll help you. Anvita. Nice, Anvita.
No,
nice to
I
hear your
absolutely
voice.
forgot A.
Okay, now you can reply to my chat, ma. Yuvati. Oh, wow. Yuvati, that's correct. Good job, Yuvati. Ah, Lakshanya. How come? The minus and the minus will be replaced by a plus, so it will become 9 plus 4. Is it a 5? No.
I'm correct.
Neil, yours is correct, Neil.
Yeah.
Akshara, I'm checking yours. Akshara, 9 minus 5 will be a 4, not a minus 4. So that is incorrect.
Oh, I meant
Yeah.
the opposite. A and B is the opposite.
Yeah, Vihan. If you put it just like that, if you replace it just like that, it will become minus 4 minus 9, which will be minus 13, not a 5. Did you get it,
Why are
Vihan?
you putting that pen in front of the screen?
Samhit. You're not going to tell the answer, Neil, now.
I corrected it.
Samhit is correct. Arnav?
Okay, no idea
Arnav?
what is that.
Yeah.
The problem is, if I substitute your answers right, 9 minus minus 4. There will be two minuses, so it will become 9 plus 4, which is equal to 13 and not 5. You got it? Vihan. What is that, Vihan? You have given me A and B as 9. I am not clear with your answers.
Priya,
Okay, guys.
can I explain?
That is right, Lakshanya.
Miss Priya, can I explain?
Yes, you can. Go ahead.
Okay, so so the numbers are -4, 5, and 9. So and the it says A minus B equals C. So we have to do. So we can't do -4 minus something else minus A equals something else because that wouldn't work.
Mm-hmm.
So if we do 9 minus 5 equals -4, that also won't work because 9 minus 5 is 4, not -4. So we have to switch up 5 and 9. So A should be 5, B should be 9, and C should be -4.
See, that makes up 9 because these two become positive. Any questions? Okay, that was a mind-boggling class, I felt, because it was too much on equations. Equations, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to bring it down a little bit.
Can this be the last question because it's 1 hour and 30 minutes?
Okay, we'll log off now. Okay, see you all next week. Oh, you didn't like the class, Neil? Then we should not be doing the class if you don't like it.
No.
Miss Priya.
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
The class was 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Hey, Neil, not at all a problem. You should express yourself. That's absolutely fine. But we thought
Okay, but I
How
still
was
really
the
think
class today?
because I've learned so much in
1
that
hour and 30 minutes because we're not having a class next week.
Oh, wow, Lakshanya, good job. Next week as well, we'll have
we
one
can
after.
leave?
Yes, you can leave if you're done.
Oh, I thought class was again at 3 o'clock, and then when I came in, everyone was already
Okay,
on
bye.
the whiteboard.
That's because you logged in a little late, 30 minutes before we started.
Oh, that
Next
makes
week, come
more
early.
sense.
Next week, come early.
Wait, so
I didn't know that we had class at 6:30.
oh,
Okay,
Miss
tell
Priya.
me, Mavihan.
What time's class next week? Is it at 6?
Same
Or
like this. Same like this. It's in the calendar, ma. I lovely, Yuvati.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, please tell me.
Thank you.
Hi. Is it at 7 p.m. EST? Is that what you said? I think I misunderstood this Central Time.
Oh, I see. 1 minute. Oh, yeah, I'm just seeing your message. Okay, 5:30 a.m. IST. I said 7 p.m. EST, correct. 7 p.m. ET. ET, na? 7 p.m. ET. I don't know what is that.
Yeah, no, yeah. So the class is it just ended, so it started an hour earlier.
Correct. See, that this is one big problem with sometimes Vishwa. See, when the daylight changes and all, you guys need to be in sync. Otherwise, it becomes difficult. You see what I mean? Huh? It is okay. See, even if I go to India, the same thing happens. I keep too many alarms. Too many times I check as well. Yeah. So the
Right.
class is at what time? Your time. Now, what is your time?
It's 5:30.
Oh my God. Then how can she attend the class, right?
Yeah, this one is at least okay, but 4:30, if it's an hour earlier, I think.
Yeah, it is very difficult. Yeah, I realize it. I understand. Okay, so let's not do this. Okay, why don't we do it in
Sure.
June then?
Sounds good.
Yeah, we
Okay.
can do it in June. If you are coming, you have to ping me in May. Okay, so that I set up the class in a way that works for you.
That's when your summer classes start? June?
Correct. Meaning, most of the classes I start my yearly classes, fresh batches then.
Okay.
Okay, I
Sounds
think
good.
that only makes sense for her.
Okay,
Sanvi.
I'll ping you in May then.
Yeah, definitely in May. If you ping in June, I'll make sure I adjust the time properly for you.
Okay.
Because she should find it productive too at the end. If you wake up so early, she'll be frustrated in 4 weeks.
I understand.
Yeah,
Yes.
so good for you if you start in June.
Okay, sounds
Okay,
good.
so yeah, we were discussing integers today.
Yeah, she just started 5 minutes before. So yeah, I'll ping you in May.
Sure, that works perfect.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
One second.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye bye. Sorry about it, okay?
No problem. Thank you.